sequence and series. दिख रहा है बोर्ड पे? In your course, it's mainly GP, okay, geometric progression. Let us begin straight away with an illustration. And that is based on your background knowledge of class 10. Suppose you are given a question, let us say an, which is 2n plus 5. Okay, write the first three terms in each of the following sequence. So you need to write first three terms. These are the sequences, n minus 3 upon 4. And you are asked to write the first three terms. So can you put the values and find your terms? An is 2n plus 5. Okay. So what will be a1? n की जगह क्या रखोगे? 1. Okay. So 2 into 1 plus 5. So what is your answer? 7. Similarly a2, 2 into 2 plus 5, 9. a3 is 2 into 3 plus 5, which is 11. So first three terms a1, a2, a3, you can write 7, 9, 11. Is this making sense? Okay. Let us go to the second part. The second part says an is n minus 3 upon 4. So let's find a1 will be 1 minus 3 upon 4. Answer will be negative 2 upon 4, negative 1 upon 2. Simplified version. Similarly a2 क्या होगा? 2 minus 3 upon 4. We will get negative 1 upon 4. a3 क्या होगा? 3 minus 3 upon 4, which is 0 upon 4, which is 0. So a1, a2, a3 is negative 1 upon 2, negative 1 upon 4, 0. Is that clear? Simple है, कोई complication नहीं है यहाँ पे. Let us take next illustration. Let us identify this. The question is, what is the 20th term of sequence? What is the 20th term of the sequence defined by what is the definition of an? An is n minus 1, n minus, or rather here it is it is 2 minus n, and 3 plus n. All right. So what is asked? Let the sequence an be defined by this. first 5 terms and write corresponding series. Find the first 5 terms. So what will be A1? Again, keep doing on your paper. Keep writing. Keep doing myself with me. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 plus 1, 0 times 1 times 4. Answer would be 0. So A1 is 0. A2, n की जगह 2 रखो. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 plus 2. What is it?
Sir, but we need to find out the 20th term.
20th.
n की value 20 रखेंगे ना.
Wait. Yes. What is the 20th term? Yes. So what we'll do? Let us just simply omit A1 because सीधे A2 n की वैल्यू 20 रख दो यहाँ पे. So A20 चाहिए तुमको. So 20 minus 1, 2 minus 20 and 3 plus 20, correct? So that will be your answer. 19 multiplied by minus 18 multiplied by 23. Answer is negative 7866. Okay. The illustration 3. It is given to you AA1 is equal to 1. AN is AN minus 1 plus 2. 4. N is greater or equal to 2. Find first 5 terms and write corresponding series. Find first 5 terms. Right? Find first 5 terms and write corresponding series. So let's try to find what are the first 5 terms. We can begin with 2. Yes or no? So what will be my A2? It will be A. 2 minus 1 will be A1 plus 2. What is A1? 1. 1 plus 2 will be how much? 3. Now A3 nikalo. Use your pen and paper. A3 will be A2 plus 2, which is 3 plus 2, which is 5. A4 will be A3 plus 2, and A3 is 5 plus 2, which is 7. And A5 would be A4 plus 2, which is 7 plus 2, which is 9. So what are the first 5 terms? So simply 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So first 5 terms are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Correct? ठीक है? So these are the, based on this you can solve exercise 8.1, and if you have doubts we will have a doubt clearing session in the next class. Now let's talk about geometric progression. We are learning geometric progression. All right. So if we talk about geometric progression, what kind of progression would it be? Let us say we have a series A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Okay, AN. If my series will be called geometric progression if it satisfies satisfies this condition, a2 upon a1 equal to a3 upon a2 equal to a4 upon a3 and so on, and we can call this ratio common ratio R. All right, so if a1 is termed as simply a, then a2 will be ar, a3 will be ar square and so on. Similarly, I will get an as arn minus 1. So what is my series? My GP becomes a comma ar comma ar square and so on, and last term will be ar n minus 1. Is it clear or not? कहीं कोई डाउट हो तो पूछ लेना without any hesitation. So this is what we got. You can underline this. This is your nth term, an. It's important that you can find your an. All right. Now what is it that we can do? Let us find Sn. What is my Sn? We can write ar square, ar cube and so on, and last term क्या है? arn minus 1. Let's multiply by r s time n. Let us say multiply by r into Sn. What shall we get? a को r से multiply करोगे क्या मिलेगा? ar. So instead of writing down below, we are writing a little ahead of it in the second portion. यहाँ पे लिखते हैं हम. Similarly, ar में multiply करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? ar square. So keep writing like this. ar cube, and finally what you will get? यहाँ plus आएगा ar n. Clear? Let's draw a line and subtract negative, 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 negative. What is it that we shall get? Here we will get Sn bracket 1 minus r. Here we shall get a, and everything else will get cut like this. And finally this will also get cut. I will get what? Minus arn. Are you with me? Is it clear, this step? I am getting now Sn, which is a. You can take common 1 minus rn upon 1 minus r. This is yet another formula which you need to remember. ठीक है कि नहीं? याद रख सकते हैं. Here condition is that r is less than 1. You can definitely do that. Sn would be a into rn minus 1 upon r minus 1. In this case, r will be greater than 1. This will be your second formula. And if n tends to infinity, it's an infinite series, okay, and r is less than 1, then r की power n would tend to 0, okay. So s infinity would be a upon 1 minus r. This is your third formula. Based on these three formulas, you can get to your problem solving. Okay. Let us try few problems for your understanding. Let's take a question. Find the 10th and nth term. Find the 10th and nth term or terms of the GP 5 times 5, 25, 125 and so on. 25, 125, so on. Let us find out as per our discussion what is R. So here in this case, let us go to the next page. We will get R as 25 upon 5, same as 125 upon 25, which is 5. Okay, R की वैल्यू निकल आई and A की वैल्यू क्या थी 5 and we are asked 10th term, that means A10. A10 will be A R n minus 1, so A is 5 and R की वैल्यू क्या है 5 itself, and then n minus 1 means 10 minus 1, which is 5 की power 1 plus 9, which is again 5 power 10. So that's your A10. Okay, and then AN will be A की वैल्यू रख दो यहाँ पे 5, R की वैल्यू 5, n minus 1, which will be 5, 1 plus n minus 1, which is 5 की power n. Okay, यहाँ पे किसी को कोई डाउट हो तो पूछ लो. Let us take one more question. Question is, which term of the GP is 2, 8, 32 and so on up to n terms, is 131072 question mark. Let's write down the answer. What is it that we shall get? So we are already given the term AN is 131072. Okay, and A की वैल्यू क्या है 2 and R की वैल्यू क्या है 8 upon 2, which is 4. So what is my AN? AN is A R n minus 1. So A की वैल्यू क्या होगी 2 into R की वैल्यू होगी 4, right? So and then its power will be n minus 1, and let's put the value AN will be 131072. Let's divide it by 2. We shall get 2 6 ja 5 ja 5 will be 4 raised to the power n minus 1, correct? So you can try divided by 4 and keep dividing by 4 until you really get what is your power. So for example 4 6 5 5 3 6. So what will be your answer? Keep doing. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 4 8 32, 3 again 4 8 32 और 4 चौक 16. Keep doing then like this. 4 4 3 12, 1 4 चौक 16, 2 4 7 28 and 4 1 4. Right, like that you can keep on doing this exercise. Can you let me know what is the value? कहीं कुछ गलती
16834
इज इट 16384? यहाँ पे
सेकंड वाला
ये ना, ओके लेट्स मेक इट करेक्ट, करेक्शन कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे 16384 एंड व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट वन?
नेक्स्ट वाला
हाँ जी
4
4 जा, हाँ
096
096, फिर से एक बार करो 4 1 जा 0 2 जा 4, करेक्ट 4 4 2 जा 4 5 जा
1024 is 2 to the power 10 now
10
1024 2 to the power 10
हाँ, सो 4 की पावर 5 हो गई,
हाँ
सो 5 और 3 8, पावर 8 होगी, 4 की पावर 8 होगी, राइट? सो यू कैन keep on doing, so you can write here 4 की power 8 would be 4's power n minus 1, which means 8 is equal to n minus 1. We can also say 8 is 8 plus 1, which is gives you the value of n, which is 9. Okay, so n की वैल्यू 9 आ गई हमारी इस जीपी के हिसाब से. Let's do one more question. In a GP, okay, in a GP, the third term is 24. ठीक है, third term is 24 and the sixth term is 192 and the sixth term is 192. Find the 10th term. Find the 10th term. So कोई चैलेंज तो ज़्यादा है नहीं इसमें, राइट? जरा खुद से करके देखो इसे. You will get these two equations which I have written already. You can re-verify your works.
3070
So AR5 upon AR square is 192 upon 24, which is 8. So you will get R cube as 8. So R की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 2. ओके,
और ये 6 हो जाता है
R की वैल्यू 2 आ गई, तो यहाँ पे रख के देख लो. 2 का स्क्वायर 4 एंड 4 6 जा, सो A की वैल्यू आ गई 24 upon R square, which is 24 upon 4, which is 6. Okay, so let us summarize. A is 6, R is 2. So A 10 पूछा है ना, A 10, R 10 minus 1 simply रखो. So A is 6 times 2 and 2 की power 9. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so you can possibly write it 3072. Okay, ठीक है, so this is your answer.